Okay, so all this water, as you can see, there's a fair amount of it, and it's not raining real hard right now, is not coming from up there. It's actually coming down the side of the hill here. And the source of this is up at the top, where it's missing the trough somehow. And I'm going to see if I can't get a shot of the trough. Can't really see how much water is in there necessarily, but it comes through holes like that. But that one's not a problem right now. The one that's the problem is right up here. Right in there. That's the source of the problem, which is again gopher holes, and it looks to me like it's just not getting to the trough. That's the best guess.